Today we are exploring one more Tableau dashboard from Tableau Public with the name of Shark Attacks in Australia. The most interesting thing about this dashboard is the map design itself, where we have many layers of marks to achieve this custom shape and this cartoonish funky looking appeal, which we can replicate for other use cases. Let's dive in. I have downloaded the Tableau workbook for our reference. Let's see how this dashboard is being developed. There are only two major charts which makes this dashboard, which is the map chart itself and this bar chart. This bar chart is pretty straightforward to make, so let's move on to how we can get this kind of design within map chart. As you can see, this is just a single sheet which is being placed as floating, which we can remove and see what contributes to the background image itself. You can place any type of shape of your liking using custom image and place this map on top of it to get the desirable result. Let's revert it back. Once we open this map chart, we can see there are multiple marks are being added to the simple map chart to achieve this peripheral look. The usual method of creating map chart is still same, where we are dragging longitude and latitude in columns and rows respectively and changing the marks type to map to aggregate the measures. To showcase the state and country, we are using two map types of marks, and rest of them are either shapes, density, or circles. The peripheral look is being achieved with the circle mark types, and if we try to remove it, we will lose one of the peripheral effect as well. Let's revert it back. As we have seen in our previous videos, we are using collect function to define the location of these shapes. And that collect function is reading from MP blood calculated field, which is just reading coordinates using make point if the injuries are fatal. All of these circular marks with MP blood name are exactly same except for the difference in size and color. And that's what defines this unique look outside of the Australia map. This should be enough for you to create similar charts in this manner. Thank you.